Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Easy Way to English. Today we are going to discuss the topic tenses. Before we pass on to the topic, please subscribe the channel. What is a tense? Tense is defined as the form of the verb and the state of an action or event. Tenses. There are mainly three tenses. They are present tense, past tense and future tense. Totally there are 12 tense forms. Present tense has 4 forms, past tense has 4 forms and future tense has 4 forms. Present tense has 4 forms, namely simple present tense, present continuous tense and present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Past tense has 4 forms, namely simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. Future tense has 4 forms, namely simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. We can divide them into 2 groups. They are group 1 and group 2. What can we divide? The pronouns. We can divide the pronouns into 2 groups. Group 1, I, you, singular. Second person, singular. You, second person, plural. And then third person, we, they. First person, we, plural. Third person, they, plural. For these pronouns, we have to use verb form 1. Group 2. For he, she, it. Third person singular, verb form 1 plus s or es or ies. For these group 1 pronouns, we have to use the word auxiliary verb do. For group 2, we have to use the auxiliary verb does. Negative word don't. Listen, I don't. I don't like this. You don't do this. We don't see this. They don't believe this. He does her homework. He does his homework. She does her homework. She does not like it. He does not do it. Before studying tenses, it is essential to see the verb forms. Verb form is essential for changing all the tenses. Verbs can be divided into 2. They are regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs. Past and past participle forms are formed by adding ed. Irregular verbs. Past and past participle forms are formed in a different way. Types of irregular verbs. Type 1. In type 1, all 3 forms are same. For example, cut, 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 put, shut, shut, shut. Type 2. 2 of the forms are same. For example, look, looked, looked. Type 3. All 3 forms are different. So, it's essential to see verb table for learning tenses. Let us see the verb table in the next video. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you. ஒன்று முடிச்சிட்டே பாப்பா.